Good morning, classmates. Good morning, Dr. Dennis Pulahora. My topic in 8403 is all about conflict management. So, what is conflict management? Nadia? Nan? Okay. So, conflict management is a process of handling disagreement or misunderstanding in a positive way. Conflict is a normal in everyday life because every people have a different personalities, beliefs, and expectation. Conflict management is not to avoid conflict but to solve through good communication and personal relationships. So next is the sources of conflict. So what is the sources of conflict? Please read Melon, and after you read, can you give your idea? Thank you, Melon. So sources of conflicts is about, as I said earlier, about different personalities. Every people have a different personalities, different beliefs, and different expectation. That's different opinions, misunderstanding, and the the highlight of this is the limited of resources. Wala siyang magka-complex. So, the limited of resources is, like for example, the two teachers is ganahan sila na magamit of projector inside the classroom. But the projector in the classroom is only one. That's why having a conflict. That is this example of the source of conflict. So the third one is the communication during conflict. So what is the communication during conflict? So for you, can you read what is communication during conflict and can you give your idea? Thank you. And for you, communication during conflict or communication is a play role to resolve conflict. So through active listening, respect and calm expression helps to resolve these arguments. So the example of this is the teacher is notices that the students are arguing. So dito is through communication to through communication and the one student is willing to hear the expression of others or the opinion of others is and not interrupted. So dito ma-solve ang communication. That is the example of the communication during the conflict. And the next is negotiation skills. So can you read Dagunan? Okay, and can you give your idea? Okay, thank you, Miss Dagunan. So negotiation involves finding fair solution through compromise, cooperation, and understanding. So understanding is very important of this because to find the solution, understanding other is the best way to find the solution to of this negotiation skill. So this is the example. The cooperation, and last is the mediation techniques. So what is the mediation techniques, the one now? Please read, and can you give your opinion or idea? Okay, very good, Miss Nawano. The additional melon, very good, melon. So mediation techniques is use a neutral person to guide. So if naay mga conflict, so naay mo guide nga usa ka person. So wala siya fair guide both sides discussing problem and reaching an agreement. So that's the example of us mediator. Named mediator is the person fair fair to advise the both parties. Okay. And the next is the conflict resolution. So, Akab, what is conflict resolution? Please read and can you give your understanding? Okay, start. Okay, very good, Miss Akab. So, conflict resolution focuses on solving disagreements peacefully within past state relationships. So, that is the conflict resolution. Okay, that's all for our topic this morning of 8 at 4:03. And thank you.